Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonium like a pro. First, let's establish a strong foundation. Proper posture is key. Sit upright with the harmonium centered before you. Your hands should comfortably reach the keys, and your fingers should be curved. Mastering the bellows is essential for sustained notes and dynamic control. Practice smooth, even pumping to produce a consistent sound. This initial step sets the stage for all advanced techniques. Next, we'll dive into scales and chords, the building blocks of music. Begin by practicing major and minor scales, ensuring each note is clear and even. Then, explore common 3-note and 4-note chords, understanding their construction. Focus on smooth transitions between notes and chords, using all 5 fingers effectively. Regular practice of finger exercises will significantly improve your dexterity and speed, allowing for more.
This is a critical step. Cloudflare will provide you with 2 unique name servers. You need to log into your domain registrar's control panel, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. Locate the section for managing name servers and replace your existing ones with the 2 Cloudflare name servers. This change tells the internet to route your website's traffic through Cloudflare, enabling its security and performance benefits.
Finally, let's explore advanced techniques and effective practice strategies. Begin incorporating ornamentation such as trills and glides to enrich your melodies. Focus on rhythmic accuracy, ensuring your playing is precise and in time. Consistent practice is paramount. Dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to hone your skills. Listen to experienced harmonium artists to broaden your musical vocabulary and inspire your journey to becoming a truly professional player.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.